The breakfast show that wakes you up. The Big Breakfast with Mick Mulcahy.
Wake up! Wake up!
The Big Breakfast on Cork's 96 and 103 FM.
Hello.
Is that Claire?
Yes it is.
Michael, how's it going?
Michael.
Michael Foley, Knockadiddy.
Oh, I see. Hello, how are you, Mr. Foley?
I'm back to you again.
Right, what can I do for you today?
I'm looking at the male escort job. It's
Yes.
for the JTR escort agency in Manchester.
Yes, sir.
I wonder, would you consider me for that position? Will you go through the details or what I might need to have?
Okay, will you hold the line, please?
I will, of course.
Thanks very
Thanks
much.
very much. Oh, let me take you by the hand. I'll lead you through the streets of Knockadiddy, and I'll show you something to make you change.
Okay, Mr. Foley?
Hello, yeah.
I have the details here. JTR Escort Agency, as you were saying, in Manchester, the most exclusive agency in Manchester. Candidates have to be fluent in at least one European language.
No problem.
Be of clean appearance.
Yeah.
Smart dresser.
Yeah.
Well spoken.
Yeah.
5'11" to 6'2".
Oh. Go on.
32-inch waist,
Huh?
approximately,
That's discrimination, sure.
and be of 12 to 13 stone.
That's the ideal candidate now, or the candidate?
Well, sir, they actually trade in well-built, attractive men, so I suppose it is discrimination to an extent, but no more so than somebody applying for the position of a model.
I see.
Are you suitable for this now, Mr. Foley?
Oh, infinitely so. I mean...
Are you quite sure now?
Run down to that list again.
Okay, candidates have to be of clean appearance, smart dressers, be well-spoken, 5'11" to 6'2".
Clean appearance.
Yes.
Yeah, well, I'm fairly clean. Like, I'd shave once every few days, and I'd have the old wash-up if I needed to, like, you know. What's the next one?
Well-spoken.
Well, sure, you can tell.
Well, actually, Mr. Foley, I don't really know whether a kind of a pronounced Irish accent would be suitable, to be perfectly honest with you.
Sure, I'm very well pronounced. What about the European language?
Do you have a European language at your disposal?
I do. Níl Hinton, mar Hinton Fin. Bit of Irish for you there. That's European, isn't it?
I don't think that counts now, Mr. Foley.
Why not? Sure, we're all European.
You'd really need something like French or German or Italian. Actually, Mr. Foley, to be honest with you now,
I can speak a
you
little bit
haven't
of French.
sent on your resume yet, and I'd prefer if you just sent it on.
But I've only been on to you for the last couple of days, like, you know. I've a grand French accent as well. The sun is out, the sky is blue, there's not a cloud to spoil the view. My pretty one. How about that?
Mr. Foley, really now, I'd prefer if you just sent on your resume. I'm not sure if you're eligible for this job again, and this is the third job now. It'd really be much easier. I'm sorry?
I've a grand bit of German. What is your name?
Mr. Foley, you actually have to be able to speak German. I'm sure you know this now. Are you really looking for these jobs now, or...?
Anything at all. I've fallen on hard times here in Knockadiddy, you see.
I feel like you're trying to make a fool out of me, Mr. Foley, really, between this and the rubbing the greyhounds yesterday.
But sure, you said you were from Cork, like. I thought you might help out a fella.
Well, I'd like to, but you have to apply for a job that you're qualified for. I mean, what height did you say you were?
To be honest, about 5 feet feck all, but, you know, my waist now would come in the right parameters, all right. I have about a 28-inch waist.
Yeah.
The only problem is I have a 47-inch belly. Don't laugh now, young one.
I'm sorry, Mr. Foley. It's just I really don't think that this escort job is up your alley.
Oh, what would be up my alley?
To be honest, sir, I don't know.
Yeah. I'm kind of half sorry. No, I went on to you because maybe some of the other people would have been more helpful, you know. You were very helpful at the start.
I'm not trying to be unhelpful. It's just that I feel like I've spent a lot of time talking to you over the last few days, and in fact I am very busy. And we do have certain channels which we require applicants to go through, which you seem to be kind of flaunting to some extent.
We have a certain channel here as well. She's called 96 FM, and you're on Cork's Big Breakfast.
I'm sorry?
Good morning, Claire. This is Mick Mulcahy. How you doing?
Oh. Oh, my God. You're joking.
The longest wind-up we've ever perpetrated, over 3 days.
Oh, my goodness.
Bobby and Fiacre in Tivoli.
Ah, Jesus, I would have known now. It would have been the two of them. Go away.
You'll be famous when you ring. Do you know why?
Why?
Because this is the 3rd day in a row you've been on the air.
Oh, God. Christ. If you caught me any other time, it would have been a lot more smart now, but in work, I'm telling you.
A new job. You're only in a couple of weeks, yeah?
Yeah.
And how are you getting on?
I was getting on fine until you were ringing me anyway.
So Bobby and Faker set you up. Sorry I didn't succeed in getting any of the jobs or even coming near your qualifications.
Okay.
Don't worry, we won't give out the number of your agency on the air.
Okay.
Best of luck. We'll see you when you come home again. I believe you enjoyed the wind-ups when you were here.
Yeah, I did actually, yeah. Fair dues to you, Mick. You got me. Well done.
Well, you're part of them now.
Thanks a lot.
Morning, Claire. Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Every morning we're winding